What's up, YouTube? What's poppin'? Can I switch the camera? Nah, I can't on my phone. But usually I record with my GoPro, but that thing's acting up, so we got some coilovers today. Put them on the gin. Sitting over here. I'm finna record another video. I'm gonna flip it. I'm waiting on a buddy to come through, and we're gonna slap these on. I'm probably gonna jack it up, take off the wheels, probably start on the front. But I don't know how low I wanna go. Bro, finally I'm doing fucking coilovers. This is awesome. Alright. So we had gotten this side done, and it already looks pretty damn low. Like, that's higher than the back, or that's lower than the back, and the back is sitting high, but that side's done. Looking on this side now. Got my helper here. We're actually bending the brake line bracket because it won't fit onto the strut. It looks like it does, but the bolt doesn't go in. So, and then we'll get on the rears. But this rain is coming in, so we're trying to hurry up.
Fuck yes, bro. Damn!
Dude, this shit looks fire. Just did a whole coilover install in like 2 hours, not even.